So this class is for logo designers who want to offer that certain client something that's really special. Now, I'm a huge advocate of simplicity and elegance in design, particularly for luxury brands. However, for certain clients, a highly detailed logo can actually be the perfect solution. Just think about the rich version of a Versace logo, or a Burberry, Bentley, just to name a few. And what better way to let your clients know you can offer this detailed style of design where needed than to proudly showcase something in your own portfolio. And really, that's what we're going to cover in this lesson. We'll take you through one step at a time, and you'll create your own version of a custom, completely bespoke, but beautiful, detailed logo. And as a bonus, I'll even teach you how to put these powerful finishing effects on your final mock-up. Now, many designers are daunted at the prospect of creating something so complex for a number of very good reasons. Many may have heard simplicity is best in logo design. Now, there's some truth to that, but we're going to unravel the principles behind that statement. Why is simplicity so often the best route? And so if we design something more complex, what rules do we have to carefully observe, and which rules can we bend and even break? Really, we've got to ensure we understand these principles and ensure they apply to something more complex. For some designers, they don't know how to ensure something complex remains versatile, that it's still going to work, be clear and legible at smaller sizes. So we're going to look at something I like to call responsive design. It's often applied to web design, but it's actually very powerful and can be used in logo design as well. So we'll look at establishing a visual hierarchy to make sure your logo is going to work at all sizes. Lastly, I think many designers are put off by the scale of the task. Surely if it has more elements, it's going to take longer to design and to refine. Well, actually, by breaking the process apart into manageable steps and components, you'll find it's actually quite easy to design something with a higher level of detail. When you're aware of the approach needed, of exactly which rules and principles you can bend, break, or need to carefully observe, you'll be able to do this with complete confidence. And although we're going to create a very specific example together, step by step, this class is going to teach you design principles. So you'll be able to take these processes and concepts and apply them to future projects. So you'll be equipped to adapt and employ these techniques in a wide range of future projects. And before we get started, I just want to reiterate, this isn't an approach you'll need to use for every client. But where it's called for, sometimes there's nothing more effective. So this style of detailed design will look amazing in your portfolio. It will be a great skill to add to your repertoire, and I'm sure you're really going to enjoy going through the process. Now, there'll be future classes covering how to design other forms and styles of logo effectively, such as monograms or attractive custom type. So to enjoy the full course, you'll have to jump across to Skillshare. Now, don't worry, that won't cost you anything. If you use the link I've placed in the description, you can actually get 2 months of access for free, which will be more than enough time to go through this class. But be sure to like and subscribe first so that you'll be the first to see new courses, tips and content as it rolls out on the channel.